have a
Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka.
Where did you learn that?
Yeah, I keep
Is it from a
before.
friend? You have a Filipino
Yeah,
friend? Oh, I
yeah, I have
see.
colleagues. Yeah, colleagues and friends.
So, from what country are you?
I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm living in Saudi Arabia currently.
Oh, I see. I think we'll start in basic conversation. Actually, it's the phrases, and I do not use all formal. It's very rare. Formal
Yeah,
discussion.
exactly. Even I don't like
Yeah.
formal. So. I like
I just like
curses.
knowing
I like slang.
conversation. Yeah, this conversation. What do you call that? Do you know how to introduce yourself in Filipino, or do you have
Ako si Faisal.
Faisal? Is it
So,
Faisal? Okay.
yeah, that's okay. It's actually Arabic name, so I think that would be difficult for you to pronounce. So that's okay. Don't worry about it.
So, what does your name mean?
It's like a criterion between right and wrong.
Oh, such a beautiful meaning.
Salamat
So,
po.
ilang taon ka na, Faisal?
So,
What? Ano? You know the question like ano?
yeah, I know.
Anong trabaho mo? Like, yeah, what's your
Because
work?
I know that because the word trabajo is Spanish.
So, what are the Filipino words that you already know?
I know
Ang
like
Filipino, alam mo na.
magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Kumusta
The
ka?
common.
Mabuti, salamat.
So, nag-almusal ka na ba? Have you ate your breakfast already? Almusal, breakfast.
Opo.
Oh, that's good. So, ano kinain mo? What did you eat for breakfast? Yes, what did you eat for breakfast? By the way, you mentioned later that you love learning languages, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So, how many languages have you already learned or you are capable of speaking? Or wow, it's already many. That's pretty what do you call that? Amazing.
Salamat po.
Yeah, but nahihirapan ka bang matuto ng Filipino? Are you having hard time?
No, because Spanish helped me a lot because there are many cognates in Spanish and Tagalog. That's why, and I already knew a few phrases and words. So yeah, because you know what is the funny thing or interesting thing? Before I learned Spanish, actually, I used to know Tagalog more than Spanish. Now I know like Spanish, maybe more than 3,000 words, but I just start learning Tagalog now.
Oh, so dapat pala ako mag-Tagalog pag I think I should speak in Filipino when I am talking to you so that you can
a little slower, please. I don't understand. You're speaking like you're speaking with native speaker. You forget that I'm 3 years old in Spanish. I mean in Tagalog only. 3 years old.
Because I'm getting excited.
No, it's okay. Take your time. First, it's okay. First, you use normally. When I don't understand, slow it down, okay?
Has a different accent. It means puno. It means filled.
Like that?
Yeah, great. You're really good at spelling. Did you see that? That animal?
Yeah.
It's baka.
Same, like a Spanish. Wow. Baka. And this?
Road. Did you know road?
I don't know. Maybe
Calzada.
Calzada.
Yeah. Pwede rin kalye. Could also be kalye.
Kali.
They're playing basketball there. We call ourselves matanda. When you're already an adult, it's matanda.
Matan.
Do you see it? The chicken?
Yeah. How to say chicken? Pollo?
It's manok.
Ano?
Can you see this what do you call it? The trunk? I think it's trunk. This one. Yeah. This
Leaves?
no, this kind of
There's like branch? No.
the branch of
Tree.
and when we are doing like this, it looks like a gate, right? We call it bakuran.
Bakuran. Okay.
Oo. Doon sa bakuran.
Bakuran. Like that? Bakuran.
Yeah, you get it right.
Really
great.
Salamat
How-
po.
How about the dog? Can you see the dog?
Cable for the electricity.
Kable.
Like
Ano po ba?
how to say gate
Ano
for
pa
the
ba?
door. Gate for
Oh.
the door.
It's pintuan. Gate. Isa tarangka.
Raka?
Tarangka.
Rangka. Like that?
Yes, like that. Yeah. Those are. Wait. Oh, I don't hear. Hello? Did you already hear the tongue twister? The pitong puting pating.
No. Can you write?
Yeah.
What is it again? Puti?
Pitong puting pating.
Itong pot, puting pating.
The prayer. Do you know the prayer?
How to say?
It's dasal.
That's
Confused in Tagalog is lito.
lito.
Nalilito. Confusing.
Lito.
And do you know how we call the plug like this?
No.
You see it. It's saksakan.
What? Saksakan?
Saksakan. Yeah, saksakan.
Saksakan.
When they said, you must have it on the saksakan. Yeah. Oh, it's electric.
How to say ceiling? Ceiling.
Oh, yeah. Silly. It's bubong.
What?
Bubong.
Bong.
Yeah. Called it bubong. And then, and the ants, the animal, the ants,
Ants? Ants, I don't know.
yeah, we call it langgam. Nakuha mo ba? Nakuha mo ba? Did you get it? Malungkot. How about malungkot? It's sad.
Sad.
Angry.
Galit?
Mad.
Angry. Okay.
Galit ako, gano'n. Galit daw siya.
Okay.
It means she's mad. And could also be mabuti, but in informal way, we could use ice lang.
I see.
When you're really close, you can also use ice lang. Ganon. Ganon is I see.
How to say wall?
Ding. Ding.
What?
Ding ding.
Ding ding. Ding ding. Wall. Ding ding.
Yes, ding ding. How about sulok?
Suno.
Sulok is corner.
Sulong.
Yes.
Sulong.
Oh, how about the you know the Tagalog word for eyes?
Ice mata. Right?
Right, Tara. Yes, you're right. And how about ears?
Ears. Ilong.
Nose, tenga.
Tenga.
By the way, Faisal, it's already an hour.
Yeah.
I think I need to go now. I also have classes.
Okay. Salamat po.
It's nice to have you.